I want to do my video with this filter because it represents who I am. So if you guys have, I'm being quiet because it's late. If you guys have hair like me, which is called really thin and stringy and just like really snarly and you can't get your fucking fingers through it, I can show you what I do to make mine more manageable. So I've laid these out in steps. We're going to do this in Brandon's bathroom because we're never going in mine. Let's see. This is Forever Smooth line. Oh my God, do that again. And you use the clarifying shampoo, which is backwards with the and I use this, it's preparation for keratin treatment because we're doing a keratin treatment on my hair. I got all of this on Amazon. So you're going to put this on your hair, wash your hair. So you're going to wash your hair twice with this. It says to leave it on the second time for 20 minutes for virgin hair, but let's be real, there's no virgin in this hair. So I leave it on for about 1 minute, wash it out, and then put it on for about 3 minutes, and then wash it out. And it's super dry. Do not condition it. We want it dry. It's a little too dry right now, actually like air dried. So I'm gonna rinse it just to get it damp again, and then we're gonna apply the treatment. Okay, so this is about how wet you want it. Is my face too close? And now you have to put your gloves on. I don't care who you are, you better put these gloves on. This is the product I'm putting on now. Wait, yeah. For fine medium hair, there's one for thick coarse hair. I don't have that clearly, so I didn't buy it. Okay, so I had to vacate because my eyes are on fire. Stay. This shit is strong, so I'm going to get a fan. Make sure you have ventilation and don't let your animals or children near this shit. It says that it's safe, but I don't trust anybody. Oh look, my room is a mess. All right, it's done. I know what you guys are thinking. How did you put it on? Why didn't you tape it? Because I know you bitches, and you're going to use it as retribution. What's revenge. So here's the hard part. You are going to blow dry the shit out of this now. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, well, after I put it all in my hair and it starts to dry and I'm blow drying it, I don't need as much ventilation. Wrong. I can barely breathe. You still need ventilation. My eyes hurt. Thank God this filter is, if it makes a mustache one more time. I don't want you guys to get intimidated by how good I am at blow drying my hair. It's really not me, it's the brush. Am I more obnoxious yet than the free ride girl? Freebird? Free rides? You know that commercial on Facebook? Hi, haters. What is that? It's me. All right, hoes. So now we gotta straighten this. There's a temperature setting you're supposed to straighten it on. But I have old tools from hair school, which I was in 2006. So this one doesn't have, it goes up to 20 or to 30. So we're putting it up to 30. I am not liable if you burn your hair off. Although when I was blow drying mine, a plume of smoke did just come out of my hair. Okay, so when you're done blowing it out and then straightening it with your straightener, it should be so straight that it's pin straight. And then when you go into the light, if you have thin hair like me, you will have these little guys. You guys know what I mean. You can wash this out basically within the hour that you did it, that you dried it completely and straightened it. I like to let the straightness sit. Whether or not that does anything, can you stop? Whether or not that does anything, I honestly don't know, but it can't hurt. So I sleep on this and I either wash it the next morning or I will wait as long as I can. But this is so straight that it looks a little flat. So I normally do only, why is there a face on my fucking neck? So use these the next day if you want. It helps prolong the blowout. So shampoo, conditioner, Hair Mask Extreme Conditioner. I have super dry, thin hair, so I tend to use this and not really even use this. But these will prolong it. And lastly, I do this about every 2 to 3 months. It should last, I swear to God, it should last you up to 4 months. I treat my hair like crap, so it lasts me about 2 months. And it doesn't damage it at all that I can see. You can find everything on Amazon, like I said, and it is way cheaper than going to a salon. So I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly because I will not be enabling comments because people are assholes. Thanks.